Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock in Vanguard. First, understand that Vanguard offers a wide range of low-cost investment options, primarily through their exchange-traded funds and mutual funds. You'll need to decide which type of account is right for you, such as a standard brokerage account or a retirement account like an IRA. Have your personal details and financial information ready to streamline the setup process. Once you're ready, head over to Vanguard's website to start opening your account. You'll be guided through selecting the specific account type that aligns with your investment strategy. After setting up your account, you'll need to fund it. Many Vanguard mutual funds have an initial minimum investment of $3,000, but ETFs can be purchased for the price of one share. Now for the exciting part, choosing your investments. Vanguard offers a vast array of exchange-traded funds and mutual funds covering various asset classes and sectors. If you prefer a simpler approach, target date funds automatically adjust their asset allocation over time. For those seeking more control, you can also research and purchase individual stocks or bonds directly. With your investment choices made, it's time to place your order. Log into your Vanguard account and find the trading section. You'll enter the ticker symbol for your chosen ETF or stock, then specify how many shares you wish to purchase. Review all the details carefully before confirming your transaction. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. This helps keep your car smelling fresh and supports the channel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.